For people who know me and for people who don't, hi, my name is Suzanne Khan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, it is going to be different from the videos I make. It is not a vlog video, it is a video about the college in which I study, the fee structure, the environment here in Kyrgyzstan, and etc. etc. So NEET 2024 is done and now people and the students are very confused so as to what to do next, because there is this scam going on. There is no consideration of taking re-NEET, and 18 July is the final hearing. So we are going to talk today about the alternative option that you guys have. So that is the taking abroad admission. So I am here to help you guys because I am already studying in one of the universities in abroad. So if anybody is new to my channel, hello, my name is Suzanne Khan. I am a third professional medical student pursuing MBBS from Bishkek International Medical Institute. Yeah, that's the name of my university, which is also known as BIMI, and it is situated in the center of Bishkek city, which is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. So if you guys are interested in taking admission in abroad, feel free to DM me or comment on this video. I will be sharing everything which is included, like fees of the tuition fees, the hostel, the mess, the regular expense you guys are gonna need throughout your 5.5 year program as well. So basically the first thing which comes into your mind is what is the duration of the course. So the duration of our course is 5.5 years, that is 5 years of MBBS program and 6 months of internship as per NMC guidelines. So you guys also who are going to take admission during this year are also going to take part in 5.5 year program. So this is it. So the main question which arises after the admission is whether the university is NMC approved or not. So yeah, it is approved and it also is listed in WHO. So there is no problem, there is nothing to be worried about. Overall expense जो कि आप लोग का लगने वाला है, it is under 15 lakh, the tuition fees, and if you include hostel and mess in that as well for 5 years, it is going to be 23 lakhs for all the years, all 5 years. Second thing, the question which is important is the university is private or it is government or it is semi-government. So my university in which I study is private universities. There are many 10 to 15 or more, less or more universities in Kyrgyzstan, and they are both government and private. So there are many universities in Kyrgyzstan and every university has different criteria in the tuition fees area, because some colleges have high tuition fees and some have like budget friendly tuition fees. So basically it's a 5.5 year program as I told you guys. So for the tuition fees you guys need $3,500 per year only for the tuition fees for 5 consecutive years. The question which comes into students and parents mind is that what is the cost of first year only. So in first year you are going to have to pay a more amount as compared to the second and third and all the years, because in first year there are so many things which we have to make sure of, be it admission or issuing admission letter, then visas and everything. So that comes first. So after the tuition fees, that is $3,500, the second thing which comes is the admission fees. So every university, even if it's school or whatsoever, they charge a admission fees so as you can take a admission in the college or anything. So there is a fees which concludes $1,000, which is actually the admission fees. Third is the processing fees, which includes your visa, your air tickets, your police administration, your airport pickups and everything, which concludes of 1.5 lakhs. In first year there is mandatory hostel and mess. you have to take hostel and mess mandatory in first year. After second year you can change it, and you can also move to flat, but in first year you are going to pay a amount that is $2,000 for hostel and mess. It will include your hostel living and your food. And from the second year you only have to pay for the tuition fees, that is $3,500. If you want to continue your hostel, you have to pay $2,000 per year, and if you do not want, I suggest that you continue to a flat, that is rather economical and rather good. So after second year you only need to pay the tuition fees. So now the other point, what kind of documents you guys are gonna need, what qualifications you guys need, are going to talk about that. So first you are going to be needing 10th and 12th mark sheet, in which you are going to need 50% plus in your PCB, that is the physics, chemistry, bio subjects. Also you are going to need your NEET scorecard, in which you are going to be needing your NEET qualification according to your caste criteria. जैसे कि अभी it was different for always it is different for general and SC, ST and OBC. So whatever caste you are in, you have to fulfill that criteria of NEET qualification, then only you can take admission in MBBS abroad, because at the time of FMG or next you are going to need those documents for it. Next question is पढ़ने का क्या करना है, what should you do, what should you not. That for that I am going to make a separate video for that also, but a small hint I would like to give you guys is that पढ़ना चालू कर देना है फर्स्ट ईयर से. फर्स्ट ईयर में इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि यू बाय प्रेप और मेरो, बट फॉर फ्रॉम थर्ड ईयर itself you should buy a Mero or prep ladder. It is must. Also some colleges, even our colleges, have the MCI classes which starts from 4th and 5th year. That is also good, but from third year you should buy a prep ladder or Mero, क्योंकि पढ़ना तुमको ही है. कोई सी भी यूनिवर्सिटी में अगर तुम कंपेयर करोगे तो सब लोग पढ़ाते हैं, ये नहीं पढ़ाते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट द फैक्ट. पढ़ना तुमको ही है. सो यू हैव टू बाय प्रेप ladder or Mero or any other platform as well. Even in your first and second year you can study from YouTube. There are many channels like Ninja Nerd, Osmosis, etc. So you can take help from that also. So that's it for today's video. Hope you find it useful, and if you guys have any query regarding the admission, regarding anything, feel free to comment or DM into my Instagram. I will reply to you guys soon. Until next time, bye bye.